Hello students, in this video we are going to find the prime factors of 468 using prime factorization method. Through this method we find prime factors by dividing the number with prime numbers. Let's start dividing 468 by prime numbers. The first prime number is 2, and as 468 is even, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. Again we can use 2 to divide 234. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder. This becomes 14, 2 times 7 is 14. Now 117 is not fully divisible by 2, so let's use 3 to divide the number. 3 times 3 is 9, 2 is remainder. This becomes 27, 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Now 13 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 13. 13 times 1 is 13. So our number is fully divided. Let's write the prime factors of 468. So the prime factors of 468 will be all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So 2 times, 2 times, 3 times, 3 times, 13 are the prime factors of 468. This is how we find the prime factors of 468. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.